Dictionary. At dictionary. In a general sense, air condition refers to the process of controlling the temperature, humidity, and overall comfort of an indoor space by using mechanical systems designed to adjust and maintain a pleasant and regulated climate. Air conditioning typically involves the cooling and dehumidifying of air during hot or warm weather, and in some systems, it can also provide heating during cold weather. This technology is commonly used in homes, businesses, vehicles, and various enclosed spaces to create a more comfortable environment, enhance air quality, and improve human comfort and productivity, especially in regions with extreme weather conditions.